We have given argument, I will study if I like mathematics. Either I don't study or I pass mathematics. If I don't graduate, then I didn't pass mathematics. Therefore, if I like mathematics, then I will graduate. So first, let's find simple statements. Because argument consists set of statements called promises or hypothesis, and another statement called the conclusion. Conclusion is always after therefore. So we have promises. I will study if I like mathematics. So our first simple statement, let's put that this is P, is I will study. Second simple statement is Q is I like mathematics. Next, we have either I don't study, we have I will study, so we don't have to write again. I passed mathematics, so let's put that this is our R, is simple statement. I pass mathematics. Next, we have I don't graduate. We have negation because we have don't, so let's put that as is I graduate. And I have I didn't pass mathematics, so we have negation of R. And we have if I like mathematics, simple statement we have. I will graduate, we have. So now we will start from beginning. We have I will study if I like mathematics. So we have conditional statement. We always start if, from if. So we have if I like mathematics, I will study. So I like mathematics is our Q. So we have conditional statement. Q implies I will study. So this is our P. Next we have, this is our first promise. Next we have either I don't study or I pass mathematics. So we have this junction. So I don't study. So this is our negation for I will study. So we have negation of P. And we have or, because we have or, so this is symbol for or. I pass mathematics is our R. So this is our second premise. Next, we have if again, I don't graduate, then I didn't pass mathematics. So this is conditional statement. We have I don't graduate. We have I graduate. This is our S. So this is negation of S. Then we have, so this is implies I didn't pass mathematics. I pass mathematics is our R, so we have negation of R. This is our third premise. And next we have therefore, so we have to underline our premises. We have therefore, so we have to put 3 dots. And next we have if then. So again we have conditional statement. I like mathematics is our Q. Implies I will graduate. This is our S. So this is our solution. The last row is our conclusion.